Hello, this is Jerome Australia, and today I'm going to give you a quick update regarding to my kaiju collection. So come, let's get closer, let's have fun. So these are the kaiju that I able to won during sa bidding session sa Japan Home. So today I'm going to share to you some of the things that I won. Yun. Ito kasi si Ellie King. Ito isa sa mga character that I know of. It produces electricity, di ba? Ito yung isa sa mga kaiju na kalaban ni Ultraman. I have like this, if not mistaken, this is already my third Ellie King. But since it's a lot, and you just cannot choose kung ano yung gusto mong bilhin, so might as well I'm going to keep this one, and it's a good keep. By the way, lahat naman ito is Bandai, so you can tell it's a good quality. And next one, this one is look like a snail or something, kasi yung mga kaiju naman ng mga Japanese is basically parang sila yung halong-halo ng mga animals, parang yung mga sa Pokemon, but this one is not cute, diba? But I like it, and siguro mga lang to, mga approximately 4 inches, pero it's nice. So there you go. And then this is yung pinaka gusto ko talaga, if not mistaken, this one is Gomora. Combination siya ng turtle, ng lizard, and something. Isa kalaban to ni Godzilla. And then hindi ko siya lininis kasi masyado ng yung tag niya, gutay-gutay, pero it's okay. Meron akong ganito malaki, pero I still want this one kasi at least maliit. There you go. Someday yung mga kaiju collection ko, i-showcase ko yan sa bahay ko sa Novaliches soon, hopefully. And then this one, wala pa ako nito, and I'm so happy na nagkaroon ako nito through sa bidding. Medyo it has a price para sa 5 na to, pero kung collector ka, it will be okay, diba? Ang ganda. This is already a combination ng ng mga kaiju. Kaka-shower ko lang sa kanila, that's why siguro nakita kayo ng drop of water. And then lastly, this kaiju, if you can tell that this is para siyang dinosaur, and then combination siya ng shark, diba? Yung hammerhead shark. Look at the back, meron siyang ganyan na pang shark. So even the tail, right? Kaya gustong gusto ko talaga yung mga kaiju, and I think one of the Japanese yung for me is their trademark, diba? I'm really happy to add them to my collection. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now.